Hey guys, today me and my buddy Gary
Howdy.
came out here. We're going to do some fishing on old Hubby Lake today. When the river comes up, floods, this water here comes up quite a bit. We're fishing 15 foot of water. Normally it's like 2 foot. But today we're out here and we're going to see if we can put some fish in the boat. We got some frozen skipjack. Cutting the heads off of them, and we're using the chunks. And we also brought the old trusty chicken. We ain't had no bites on chicken yet, but that's all right. Y'all stay tuned. Some good fish.
Oh, okay.
There you go.
Yeah.
There he is. He's on. He's on. Did he come off?
No, my drag was loose. He's on there. He's on there.
We got Gary with the fish on out here at old Hubby Lake. Supposed to get up to like 50 degrees today, so we had to come out here and catch us a fish or two.
Come here. I want you to feel this rod.
Nah, go ahead, go ahead.
I told you
We'll get the next one. He's got a little head shake to him, don't he?
Yeah, that's a pretty nice fish. Oh.
What's going on here?
There you go.
Here we go. Got it up to the surface already. We'll be fishing in 15 foot of water.
Yeah.
15 foot of water. First fish of the morning.
I'm going to let you feel one on this damn thing.
That ain't going to be the last fish. It's a pretty solid fish. Hold on to him and... Oh yeah, that's gonna be a good picture there.
There he is.
Oh yeah, that's good fish.
Yeah, go back to bed here, old boy. Yeah. All right, old mate. Go
See
on,
you,
old
buddy.
buddy. There you go. He's happy to go back there.
He happy, we happy. Good job. He sure didn't bite it like a 20 pounder though, did he? He fought you like a 20, but...
I thought it was 20, 25. I thought, well, that's 21. Ain't bad. Short. I gotta let you go. All right.
Fish.
There he is. And old Mike's got him one. Pretty nice fish, huh?
Yes, he is.
Isn't he? Is it personal?
I don't know about all that, but... We got old good fish on here, I believe, fellas. Let's see what we got going on. Talking to the camera a little bit.
I don't care. You can talk to whoever you want. I'm gonna feed. I'm a net man.
Ooh, okay.
Huh?
Oh yeah.
I don't see him. It looks good.
He's staying down. And it's only 15 foot of water, 41 degree water temperature.
I'm gonna catch him right here.
Yeah, as soon as I get him up closer, I'll
You move.
move back, but
All right.
let the camera get as much of it as they can.
There we go, boys. He's down there. He don't want to come up. Hey.
He's running to the front of the boat. Get out of that anchor, baby. Get out of that anchor, baby. And he's our fish.
Oh my God. Hey, okay. We got it.
Got it. All right, slide him one out of there. Pull that net.
Get it. Let's see. Yeah, I got it. Yeah, I got it.
There we go, guys. Heck yeah. We'll lay him down and get the scale ready. We'll weigh him up. And put them. I sure did. How about that?
How about that? Put a whooping on me.
Let's turn this.
Put a whooping on me.
There we go. We had a 21 pounder, now we got a 22. That's what I'm talking about. When you grab that and get the release. There you go.
All right, here you go.
So what we do to all of these fish, we let them go. Get that out of there.
Happy guy. Hey, slips off.
That was a good little flip tail.
There you go. Like that.
Yep. Let's pop it back up there.
How about that?
Yes, sir. Inches. So I gotta have one.
Look at that.
Oh yeah, he's there. He's there. Oh, that's a good fish. That is a good fish. Hammer down. Hammer down.
There we go. There we go.
Fish 3 on, boys and girls. That's what I'm talking about.
Well, that is a nice fish, man.
Oh yeah, that's a good fish.
That is.
Well, they've been biting today. That's a good fish.
Here's how we do it. Tell them, say, see the old man panic. Tell them, boys and girls.
We've had 2 fish today. A 21-pounder he caught. A 22-pounder I caught. So he's
I got a 23 on here
he's
now.
hoping this is a 23. I don't think he's gonna make the 23, is he?
Yeah, he's gonna make 23. Yeah, get it. Where you gonna get it right there?
Get him right here.
Yeah, let me get around here. Boy, I don't know how I got him. He might go 23.
Nah, that's gonna be about a 15.
That looks like 100.
Hey, it's still a good fish, no matter what.
That's a nice fish. All right, here you go. Where's the camera? There you
Show
go.
that one there. Step back there and show that one there.
There's this one there, right there. This is the side of the boat the fish are on. Oh.
Just for the heck of it, we're gonna see what she weighs.
All right, we're looking for 23 pounds.
What you guess?
16.
15.8. Right on the money. Well, guys, that was it. We came out here, caught those 3 fish, 21, 22, and 16. I appreciate everybody watching this old lake, man. I love coming out here fishing when the river gets high. It's like I said before, it's only like 2 foot deep when it's normal pool, but the river's up to like 45 foot right now, so she gets to about 18 foot. 15, I think I've seen 15 to 17 today in certain spots. But hey, I appreciate everybody watching. We'll see you guys on the next one.